Hey, what's up? It's me, Errol, back again with another video. Today we're going to do some laminate floor in a small bedroom. So without further ado, let me give you a look at what we're doing. Now that you've had a look at what we're doing, let's crack on with the job. First thing we're going to do is get some underlay down on the floor. Now this particular underlay we're using is 3mm thick with a vapor barrier built in. Right, now that we've finished the underlay, we should proceed by undercutting the doorways with our multi-tool. As you can see, this door is going to need trimming. Now that we've marked our laminate, we should move across to the guillotine. I should empty one of the boxes and put that guillotine to sit in the box, and I should continue fitting the room and cut it and fit it. Hopefully you're not all like me, and I had forgotten my tape measure downstairs as I was measuring the hallway, and I really can't be bothered to go downstairs and get it. So therefore then I'm going to have to continue fitting this room without tape measure, which shouldn't be too difficult. And if you watch my videos regularly, you will know that I'm a great fan of the sliding hammer. I think it's the best tool that was ever made for fitting laminate flooring. And I should be demonstrating this all the way through this job here today. What I'm doing here now is making a template. You'll notice I used the same cardboard box that it came in. Right, let's crack on with this template. There you go, that was quite a simple template to make. So now we should crack on with the rest of the room. You're going to cut a piece of laminate to go here. Yeah? So you'll take your board, you'll notice this edge and this edge are the same. So you then turn it around like that. You then put it there and you mark it here. fit. And we should get a good fit here. There you go. Perfect. And if you watch my videos regularly, you'll know that I'm a great fan of the sliding hammer. I think it's the best tool that was ever made for fitting laminate flooring. I know I'm repeating myself, but the sliding hammer is the best tool. Now we are down to the last cut. This is the last line that we're going to put in. Now, this is going to go here. So what you do is you line it up here. You take another board, put it here.
Watch a movie right by your side on duty. Not too much or too sweet. Ooh, passion from yours truly. Let me know how you feel. Hope I'm not in too deep.
Then you take your final board. Voila! You got a fit. With your correct expansion gap. There you go. And there you go, we're just about done with this one. If you like this kind of content, please remember to subscribe. It helps the algorithm push us along and it gets the video out to more people. The more people that see it, the more videos I can make, the happier we all are. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.
Come be my lady, or give me a baby. Got me talking crazy. You're nice, sweet, smooth.